Bonjour et bienvenue, and welcome to this very short video about A-Level French. We know you've got lots of questions, so we tried to put some of the key information together just to give you a bit more of an overview about the subject. So, first of all, people always ask who teaches a subject. We have Mrs. Burns, who is the area leader for French. We have Mrs. Chetin, and we also have Mrs. Critchley. All three of them work on a rotation, so two of them teaching a year group at a time. And so you might have two of them in year 12, two of them in year 13, or you might continue with the same two throughout the whole course. The course is taught very much like GCSE, so we make use of all the different resources that we have. It's taught as a blended learning technique, which means that we use both online resources, we use book-based resources, we'll use the internet to help us use up-to-date resources, and also we have a platform that we can use which is called Caboodle, and on there we have reading exercises, listening exercises, assessments and things like this. And in addition to your lessons that you have with your teacher, you will also have lessons with a French language assistant for your French speaking lessons. This gives you the opportunity to really focus on your speaking skills and develop those throughout the 2 years. So people ask why they should be doing A-Level French. Well, it really does build on your GCSEs. In today's post-Brexit society, it's going to be more important than ever to have people with really good language skills. And what we want to try and get you to be able to do is to use the language spontaneously to initiate communication. Now, we also want you to be able to develop your research skills. We want you to look at developing your confidence in your linguistic skills. We want you to have a greater understanding of culture. And one of the things that you actually get to do within this course is to research a project, and you actually present this as part of your speaking exam in the final year of the exam. The topics that are covered are a really wide range of topics. Some of the students that have done A-Level French in the past have actually described the fact that they're doing several A-levels in one, because you do religion, you do about ethics, you talk about politics, you talk about the history of the country, you talk about the geography of the country, all in addition to actually learning about the different language as well and how the language works. So you have different current issues, you have current trends that you look at, and over the 2 years, these are the different topics that you'll study. And you'll study them all in different ways. Throughout the course as well, you will also study a film. We normally do that in year 12. And you'll also study a book, and we normally do that in year 13. And again, that's very much like your English literature studies, it's very much like your media studies. And so the whole of the A-Level course is a real mixture of lots of different A-Levels basically rolled into one through the medium of French. And this is what some of the students have really enjoyed about the course, that they say that it gives you that whole wide range of learning that you can then use and move as you move forward later on in life. So hopefully that's just given you a little bit of an overview as to what is in the A-Level French exam. And if you want to find out any more, or if you have any more questions, please do email Mrs. Burns. She's the area leader for French, so she can answer all your questions. And we look forward to seeing you in the future in some of the taster lessons. Thank you.